सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a social media banner designing using Adobe Illustrator. So here is my Adobe Illustrator interface. I'm going to file to create a new file for social media sites, basically for Instagram. So here I choose the site 1080 into 1080 pixels, and then I press on create button. So here I am create a new artboard. Size is 1080 and 1080 pixels. So this is basically square artboard. I make this design for social media like Instagram post. So here I am going to design a real estate social media designing. So for that I make a rectangle first, and I want to put some gradient color here. So for gradient color I go to window, and then there is a swatches library. There are some predefined gradient in here, and I go to bright color. In bright color I apply the third one. So after that I want to customize the gradient. For customize I go to gradient panel and I customize here. I just select this, and then I make a BG color. I select all the objects and right click on it, arrange, send it to back, and then I go to dot selection tool and select this anchor point and drag this anchor point. Fine. Then I want to make a pentagon. For pentagon I go to polygon tool and just click on the artboard. So here I define the sides is 5 and press OK. So after pressing OK, my pentagon is ready, and pressing shift key I rotate this pentagon to 180 degree. Then I go to direct selection tool. I select this anchor point and drag this. Okay, so now I want to insert an image inside this pentagon. So for that I go to file and place an image here. So here is my image. I just enlarge this image and I fit according. Fine. Then I right click on it and arrange, send it to backward. Basically my object is on the image, so I select the object first and then press shift, then image, and go to object menu, and there is a option is called clip mask. Then I make it, and then I select the gradient one and right click on it and arrange it and bring it to font. And now I want to edit if you want to edit the image, so simply double click on it and you can edit your image. Fine. And then double click on the outside, and the next step is fine. I select both of the object and go to pathfinder, and I want to minus front. So after minus front I select the object and right click on it and ungroup this, and I want to change the gradient angle basically. So for I go to gradient angle, I go to here and I take it minus 45, only 45 degree, and here I want to change here is minus 45 degree. So here is my two gradient. Then I want to make a triangle. So for triangle I go to polygon tool and just click on it, click on artboard and change the side into 3. So here is my triangle, and press shift and rotate 90 degree and just drag this triangle to here and just increase the size. So if you want to join this triangle, fit this triangle to rectangle, so I go to and click on the snap on the point, and then I go to direct selection tool and select the anchor point and just click on it and change the color into then I go to view menu and I need ruler. So for ruler you can press Ctrl plus R, neither you can click here to show ruler, and I just drag the guideline to guide my font, guide my text basically. So here is my guideline, and my design is complete. I only want to write text here. So for text, I go to rectangle tool. I make a rectangle here and fill black color in it, and then go to direct selection tool, and I just edit the anchor point. So right now I want to write the text here. I go to type tool and just click on it. I need some icons. So for icons I go to window menu, and window menu there is a symbols library, and I click on web icons. In web icons I need home, and I need phone number, and I need an email. I basically select these three and align them. Right after align, I go to object menu and click on expand. So I click on expand, the symbol become convert into objects. So I scale down this image and I just change the color into white, outline stroke color none. So here after that I go to text tool and I want to write the address here. Fine, I just write down the address and get in touch. Okay, after that I want to write some tagline here. So for tagline I go to type tool and just click on it. Okay, the next thing is I want to make a round rectangle here. I copy this and paste in front, then I make a rectangle here and I select both the objects and go to pathfinder and intersect them and change the color into, and I need a magnifier glass. For magnifier glass I go to Windows menu and search symbols library. In web icons there is a magnifier glass here, and I convert the symbol into my object shapes and change the color into white, and I just rotate this 90 degree and scale down this object, and I want to place here, and I go to text tool. Okay, the last step is I want to insert the company logo here. So for company logo I go to file menu and place the JPG images logo. So here is my logo, a PNG image. I go to control bar. In control bar there is a image trace and 16 colors, and just select on, after converting to vector, go to object menu and expand this also, right, and then right click on group, right click on group, and after that select the white area and delete this area, and I select all these and press Ctrl G, neither object, and you can group this and change the color into white, stroke none, and drag this into top left corner. So here is my company logo, and I just need some social media icons here. So go to file and place some social media icons. So here is my social media design. So please guys, if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe our channels. So thanks for watching.